In nature, everything is interdependent and interconnected, and for any organism to thrive, they must communicate with other organisms. Soil depletion, microbiome, and immunity. Future can't be human-centric. Ego versus ecological. Choice is yours. Let's dive deeper into today's crisis, that is soil depletion and how it affects our immune system and the future of our humanity. Some may argue that we should use less pesticides and fertilizers. However, before we deviate from the main topic and blame the technology, we need to get our facts straight. Firstly, if the organic content in soil is minimal, then adding extra fertilizers will get you nowhere. Secondly, pesticides could be minimized by adapting to biological green alternatives. This include microbial pesticides and parasitic insects. However, until this is marketed heavily and become economically friendly, the use of chemical pesticides will remain. There are four common types of pesticides: herbicides, insecticides, rodenticides, and fungicides. The real concern is the organic content in the soil, which has depleted over time because of exploitative farming. To sustain agriculture, the minimum organic content in soil should be 3 to 6%. Sadly, 52% of the world's agricultural soil is already degraded. By 2050, 90% of Earth's soil could be degraded unless we act now. 75 to 85% of soil in major European Union agriculture nation has less than 2% organic content. If developed countries cannot sustain their soil, then we are heading towards a catastrophe and food shortages. As the organic alchemist, my job is to spread awareness. And if this message has been delivered to you, then hashtag save soil on any social media platform. Or if you're in a higher position, then you must act now. If this continues, the loss of microbiome in soil is inevitable, which can have indirect effects on our immune system. Soil microorganisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients that plants can absorb. When the microbiome is disrupted, nutrient availability in the soil decreases, leading to nutrient-poor crops. Poor nutrition can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. Mounting evidence from multiple scientific studies shows that many fruits, veggies, and grains grown today carry less protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron, riboflavin, and vitamin C than those that were grown decades ago. We are what we consume, eh? A healthy soil microbiome consists of diverse communities of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. These microbes interact with plants and produce beneficial compounds including antimicrobial substances and metabolites that enhance plant growth and health. When the soil microbiome is disturbed, the diversity of beneficial microbes decreases, which can affect the composition of our gut microbiome when we consume plants. A diverse gut microbiome is essential for a well-functioning immune system as it helps regulate immune responses and protects against pathogens. Soil microorganisms contribute to the biodegradation of various environmental pollutants and toxins. They break down these substances into less harmful forms, reducing their impact on human health. However, with a diminished soil microbiome, the ability to degrade pollutants decreases, leading to a potential contamination of crops and water sources. Exposure to these pollutants can have detrimental effects on our immune system, compromising our ability to defend against infections and diseases. Certain soil microorganisms form symbiotic relationships with plants, such as mycorrhizal fungi. This fungi establish a mutually beneficial association with plant roots, aiding in nutrient absorption and providing protection against pathogens. Loss of the soil microbiome can disrupt this symbiotic relationship, leading to a decreased plant health and reduced production of bioactive compounds in plants that support our immune system. Soil-borne pathogens including bacteria, fungi, and nematodes can cause diseases in plants. A healthy soil microbiome helps maintain a balance between beneficial and pathogenic microorganisms, reducing the risk of disease outbreaks. When the soil microbiome is imbalanced, the prevalence of soil-borne pathogens may increase, leading to plant diseases. This can indirectly impact human health by reducing the availability of nutrient-rich crops, which are essential for supporting our immune system. Maintaining soil health and preserving the diversity of soil microorganisms is our responsibility. Fortunately, soil depletion could be minimized by adding organic matter, practicing crop rotation and cover cropping, mulching the soil, using green waste, minimizing tillage, focusing on biological green alternatives, and protecting soil from erosion. Did you know that? Higher organic content in soil improves its water holding capacity. Organic matter acts as a sponge, absorbing and retaining moisture in the soil, thereby reducing water runoff and increasing water infiltration. This means that soils with higher organic content can hold more water, making it available to plants for a longer period. As a result, irrigation requirements may decrease as the soil retains moisture more effectively. Organic matter serves as a reservoir of nutrients in the soil. As it decomposes, organic matter releases essential plant nutrients gradually. This slow release mechanism helps improve fertilizer efficiency, as nutrients are made available to plants over an extended period. Soil with higher organic content tend to have better nutrient holding capacity, reducing the risk of nutrient leaching and runoff. This can lead to reduced fertilizer requirements and less nutrient pollution in water bodies. Many battles have been fought over land and water. Now it's time to channel that energy in saving our depleting soil.